Hi, this is Tom Forsyth. I hope you enjoy learning this sample move from the complete course in the Sun style. It demonstrates how I teach the course, and it's a fun move to do right now. You can learn all 9 sections at taichiclass.org. So now, we simply step, feel yourself grounded, make sure you're secure, roll your foot down and push. Pushing off with your left foot, bringing your feet together. And now your push is right out in front of you. Relax shoulders, arms are relaxed, your elbows are down more or less. Your energy is pushing out, so you do come up with your wrist comes back. Your hands are still in tiger mouth. I talked about how Tai Chi Chuan is about maintaining your root and attempting to uproot your opponent. Well, that's why you push from your upper chest, and as you push, you circle down past your dantian, and then gradually circle up to chest height. And in a martial application, you would then be uprooting your opponent. And sort of a spiritual wrinkle on this. In Tai Chi Chuan, you always assume that your opponent is you. And I find that pretty apt, because most of the time we are our own opponents. So it's both physical and psychological. It applies in a physical sense in that you talk about moving from your chest and circling down and then up to chest height. You're physically assuming that your opponent is receiving that push in the same orientation. But of course, it's wonderful that it's also about dealing with your own issues so that you can integrate peace into your being. Thank you for watching this sample of Tai Chi Chuan for Everyone. You can find the complete course at taichiclass.org.